JC Intelligent CNC Grinding Machine 2nd Gen EM02. It includes 2 operation modes, custom program grinding and system program grinding. In this video we'll mainly show you how to operate the custom program grinding. The video is divided into 5 parts, including custom grinding program initial set, rough grinding and grinding program storage, finishing and grinding, flatness correction, and custom grinding program final settings. Turn on the grinding machine. Click Chip Grinding. Click Settings. Click Original Point. Move the cutter head to the left bottom of the chip, that is, the position of the original point. Click Save Selected Point. Click Diagonal Point. Move the cutter head to the diagonal position of the chip. Click Save Selected Point. Adjust parameters according to the requirements of depth of chip grinding. Here, we adjust the rough machining to 0.3 mm and finishing machining to 0.1 mm. The grinding times is set as 1. After adjustment, the set parameters can be saved for next use. After setting, click Save Program, click Add Director, enter a name, and click OK. Here we directly select the original file. Click Confirm, and then click OK to save. Click Back. Click Rough Grinding. Click Run. Now the grinder is doing 5-point positioning. Start grinding. Clean debris with vacuum cleaner. Click Fine. Set the grinding depth according to the actual grinding situation. Click OK. Click Run. It is grinding now. Clean up debris. Adjust the grinding depth according to the actual grinding situation. Click Run. The machine starts grinding. Clean up debris. Adjust the grinding depth according to the actual grinding situation. Click Run. The machine starts grinding. Clean up debris. Adjust the grinding depth according to the actual grinding situation. Click Run. The machine starts grinding. Clean up debris. Now the solder joints are visible, we can use the flatness correction function. It is possible to increase the grinding depth of only one corner, or two corners. The adjustment is more flexible and precise. Adjust the grinding depth of the corners to be ground according to the actual grinding situation. Click, Run, Start grinding. Clean up debris. Grinding is complete now. We can see that the total processing depth here is 0.73 millimeters. We can adjust the program that has just been saved based on this data. Click Settings to adjust the parameters. Ensure that the sum of fine and rough machining parameters is equal to 0.73 millimeters.